In a quiet, bustling city, a digital replica begins to take shape. It isn't just a model, but a living simulation that mirrors real-time changes in urban life. Imagine a digital twin of an entire metropolis, constantly updated with data from traffic sensors, weather forecasts, and even social media trends. This digital counterpart allows city planners to visualize the impact of potential changes before they occur, such as the addition of a new transportation line. But more than just improving logistics, it opens the door to a future where cities evolve based on the needs and behaviors of their inhabitants. What happens next may redefine urban living entirely, yet the implications stretch far beyond cityscapes. In healthcare, digital twins are being used to model patients' responses to treatment. The concept of digital twins isn't entirely new. It has roots tracing back to the early 2000s when NASA began creating virtual models of physical systems to monitor spacecraft. Fast forward to 2010, and the term digital twin is coined at the University of Michigan, where researchers sought to improve the reliability of manufactured products. This initial focus on machinery has rapidly expanded, leading to remarkable applications in various fields. In healthcare, hospitals now create virtual replicas of patients, integrating genetic information and real-time health data. Picture a bustling hospital ward where nurses rush past, their hands full with charts and medications. The overhead lights cast a sterile glow over the scene, punctuated by the beeping of monitors that track lives in real time. In a quiet corner, a doctor sits in front of a glowing screen, immersed in the digital world of his patient's twin. This twin is not just a static image. It pulsates with data, demonstrating real-time heart rates, blood pressure fluctuations, and even genetic markers. The doctor, deeply focused, thinks back to the countless hours spent poring over medical texts. But now, that knowledge is augmented by this technology. What if I could simulate outcomes for different treatment plans? He muses, imagining a future where the path to recovery is customized for every individual. This technology allows healthcare providers to offer a personalized approach that dramatically increases the chances of success. For instance, a digital twin of a heart patient could predict how they would react to specific medications, enabling doctors to tailor their prescriptions to maximize efficacy while minimizing side effects. Imagine the relief of a patient as they learn their treatment plan is not a guess, but a carefully calculated strategy, honed by the insights drawn from their digital counterpart. The remarkable part? This technology could lead to significant reductions in trial and error, saving both time and lives. In regions where access to healthcare is limited, this could transform patient care. A doctor in a remote area can utilize digital twins to analyze data without requiring patients to constantly visit a facility. This innovation is not just a technological advancement, it's a lifeline for many. In rural clinics, where resources are scarce, the ability to predict treatment outcomes with accuracy can guide medical practitioners in making decisions that save lives. As we delve deeper into the potential of digital twins, we uncover a transformative force in environmental management. Digital replicas of ecosystems enable scientists to monitor changes in real time, from shifts in climate to wildlife populations. Imagine a dense, towering forest where every tree is monitored digitally, their growth patterns and health tracked with precision. Conservationists can ensure that efforts are adjusted based on the real-time data collected. In 2021, researchers at the University of California developed a digital twin of the Sierra Nevada mountain range, allowing them to track ecological changes with unprecedented accuracy. Visualize a scientist standing in front of a massive screen, displaying an intricate web of data points representing tree health, soil moisture, and animal movement. The air is crisp as they contemplate the vastness of the landscape, knowing they have the power to influence it through their findings. They can simulate the impact of drought or wildfire, making informed decisions on where to focus conservation efforts. This ability to simulate and predict outcomes transforms conservation strategies. For instance, a digital twin could identify which areas are most vulnerable to wildfires and suggest preemptive measures, perhaps controlled burns or additional fire breaks, to mitigate risk. With pressing environmental challenges ahead, the potential for a more sustainable future hinges on our ability to utilize these digital twins to make informed decisions. The ongoing dangers of climate change demand precision. Visual simulations can reveal how different climate scenarios would affect biodiversity, prompting immediate action where it's needed most. The thought crosses the scientist's mind. What if this data could save entire species from extinction? The question remains, how will we harness this technology to shape not just our cities and health, but the very planet we inhabit? As we stand on the precipice of this digital revolution, the possibilities seem boundless. The future may be one where cities breathe and adapt, where healthcare is personalized down to the individual level, and where ecosystems are preserved through precise, data-informed management. We are at a crossroads, and the choices we make today in embracing and developing these technologies will undoubtedly dictate the quality of life for generations to come. Will we rise to the challenge and utilize digital twins to create a more sustainable, efficient, and equitable world? Only time will reveal the full extent of this transformative innovation, but the urgency of action is more pressing than ever.